Hi friends, once again welcome you to my YouTube channel The 4. Today I will show you the most professional 4 websites for English grammar correction. So let's get started. Number one is spellcheck24.net. So I'm in this website and this is the interface they are presenting to us friends. And for an example, let's write something grammatically wrong here. So I don't like sandwiches. So this is the sentence that I have written, and intentionally I have dropped the apostrophe in the word don't. So let's see whether this tool will detect this error or not. So let's check our text. So yeah, here this tool is detecting that this word should be don't with an apostrophe. So we can replace with this word, and this is also a nice platform for you guys to check your grammar and spellings, punctuations and all. So finally they say that there are no errors to be found in this text. So let's move on to number 2 friends. Number 2 is Scribens.com. Scribens is also a really nice platform for you guys to check your grammar in your theses, reports and all. So for here, also for an example, let's write something grammatically wrong here. So what should we write? We'll write something, I can't move. So here I have intentionally made the full stop to be invisible, so there is no full stop in here in the sentence. So let's check our text and see whether this tool will detect this error. So let's check. So and when we click on here, they say the sentence is missing a dot. So actually, obviously there should be a full stop in the end of the sentence. So I have not written that in here. So they are telling that we should replace this with a full stop. So it's a grammar rule. And next tool is Reverso Speller. So Reverso Speller is also a nice platform for you guys to check your grammar. And for example, here also we'll write something wrong because to see whether this platform is working or not. So let's write something, I'll get on the cab. So here I have intentionally wrote the proposition wrong. So the proposition should be in, I'll get in the cab, but I have written I'll get on the cab. So let's see whether this tool will detect this error. So let's check. Yeah, they have automatically corrected this wrong sentence as well. So they are telling that this preposition should be in. So this is also a nice platform for you guys to check your grammar. So let's move on. Let's move on to number 4. It's Grammarly.com. This is not an website or tool for you guys to check. This is an application. So you have to download this application and use this for free. But when we using this, some features are not free, guys. You should spend some amount for activate these features. Some of the features are not free, they should be paid. So but these websites, spellcheck24.net, Scribens and also Reverso Speller is fully free for you guys. You can use these websites for anything you like. You can check all the grammar, punctuation, spellings and all of them. So these are free, but this is free for download and for some of the features. But finally, obviously you have to pay some amount for access the full version of this software. This is an application, guys. You have to download this. So that's it, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel also, and give us some support by sharing this video as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.